This is an instructional video for the VoiceGift tag by Voice Express. These are the different parts of the VoiceGift tag: the decorative sleeve, the electronic insert, and stickers to decorate your tag if you wish. The paper sleeve is made from acid-free paper with a removable decorative cord and an embossed play button. If you want to use the tag in a scrapbook, you can always remove the card. We provided a sheet of stickers that you can use to decorate the tag for any occasion. Also included are a collection of play stickers, one of which you can place over the embossed play button. Of course, you can be as creative as you wish and decorate the sleeve in any manner. The sleeve is made from uncoated acid-free paper, so you can use stamps, ink, marker, crayons, or paint to decorate the sleeve, front or back. On the back of the sleeve are speaker holes to make sure that your recording comes through loud and clear, and a flap with the removable adhesive tape. The electronic insert has a microphone to record your message, and a speaker to play your recording loud and clear. There are 3 lead-free replaceable AG10 button cell batteries. There's a selector switch to switch between record mode and play mode, and a button to activate record or playback. Please note that before the electronics are secured in the sleeve, there are small parts, so this device should be kept away from children. You can record up to 60 seconds, so you might want to give some thought to what you want to say, and maybe gather other well-wishers around, so you can all record a greeting while the device is recording. Pull the battery saver tab to activate unit. The batteries will play your message over and over again, and will last for over 2 years under normal use. When the batteries need charging, simply open the flap on the sleeve and use a small flathead screwdriver to push out the batteries. To record a message, move the selector switch to the rec position. Hold the card approximately 6 inches from your mouth and press and hold the button. Wait for the beep and begin recording your message.
Hey Mom,
you can record up to 60 seconds.
I want you to play
your recording will stop when you release the button, or you hear a second beep, and the 60 seconds are up. To play your message, move the selector switch to the play position. Press the button momentarily, and your recording will play from beginning to end. You can press the button a second time at any time to stop the message. When you press the button again, it'll begin to play the message from the beginning. If you're happy with your message, you're ready to assemble your tag. If you want to re-record your message, slide the switch back to the rec position and record a new message. Once you have decorated the sleeve, insert the module into the sleeve, making sure that the embossed button on the sleeve is aligned over the button on the module, and conversely, make sure that the speaker on the back of the module is aligned with the speaker hole on the back of the sleeve. Remove the backing from the double-sided tape on the flap of the sleeve and fold the flap and close the sleeve. Be sure and check out the comments provided by our customers. The VoiceGift is the perfect way to add your message and emotions to a gift or memory maker. A familiar voice does wonders in brightening up the day of young and old. Scan our QR code to sign up for our newsletter and share your creation with our ever-growing community of voice crafters.